Good evening, y'all. My name's Barbara, and I'm coming to you from a place called Spur, Texas. It's a little town about 70 miles east of Lubbock, off the Caprock. It's got a fascinating history, beautiful scenery, and lots of friendly people. Well, I wasn't born here, but I wouldn't have minded if I had been. These days, I enjoy hanging out with my 1,320 neighbors and friends, and listen to the coyotes in the evening and the church bells in the morning, and sometimes getting to write a song or two. Well, I believe that every place worth visiting ought to have its own song, and here's one about what happened in a place called Spur. Well, I was driving 70, and yes, that was my speed, but it also was the highway, didn't know where it might lead. I crossed the Brazos River, next moment was a blur. I greatly feared I'd hit a deer outside a little place called Spur. Limped into the turnaround, it might have been a sign. Inquired where I might get a repair for this old Ford truck of mine. A woman of a friendly sort said, "Honey, won't you come with me? I'll take you to the Spur-fect place you could ever want to be." My radiator leaking steam, I gladly followed her. I should have known it was a thing that could only happen Spur. We drove up to a hilltop park and rested for a while. We sat there until almost dark, but I still could see her smile. She said, "Now don't you wanna stay? Forget that old Ford truck. Just stick around in this perfect town. It's time you had some better luck." Well, this is how this story goes. It's just the way we were. We ditched that truck for a tiny house, and we stayed right here in Spur. I never made my destination. As for me, I must demur. I do not cast aspersions on what happened in a place called Spur. I never made my destination. As for me, I must demur. We ditched that truck for a tiny house and remained right here in Spur. It happened in a place called Spur. Right here in a place called Spur. Y'all come see us sometime.